Hello, I want to welcome you to this tutorial on searching or refining your results to archival sound recordings within the Searchworks library catalog. That's the catalog for the Stanford libraries. In this tutorial, we're going to look at refining your results to Allen Ginsberg sound recordings. These sound recordings are digitized and preserved recordings from the Allen Ginsberg manuscript collection that's held by special collections within the libraries. Allen Ginsberg was a very prolific sound recordist. And so you'll see as we go through this just how many recordings he made. So the special thing about the Allen Ginsberg collection is that through agreements, the recordings are made world streaming. I have another tutorial I put together, and that one is on accessing archival, commercially released archival 78 recordings are within the archival recorded sound collection, and we can stream those to Stanford affiliates that are logged in with their SUNET ID via Searchworks. And I totally recommend you check out that tutorial for if you're curious on accessing those materials. But in this case, the Ginsberg, because of those agreements to make it world accessible, that means anybody can sort of listen to these fantastic resources. So we're going to go ahead and jump in here. And the first place I'm going to go is I'm going to go ahead and just, oh, there it is, Allen Ginsberg, and search Allen Ginsberg. So we have quite a few results here, 7,220 catalog results. So what I'm going to focus on here is the refine your results section over here on the left. And so we have all these different sort of fields or sort of, well, menus, I guess, or sort of facets actually. So what I'm going to click on first here is online. So this is going to take us to online material that's tied to Allen Ginsberg. And then we have sort of resource type here. And this is going to be the really powerful one for refining these results. So currently we have 5,385 results for online material. There's sort of all these different kinds of things here. And a lot of them are sound recordings, as you can see here in the result list. And a lot of them, some of them are not. There's some video in there. And whatnot. So for sound recordings, we can go to resource type and just click on sound recording. It's as easy as that. And now we have 2,131 catalog results. This gets us to the Allen Ginsberg sound recordings that are currently available through Searchworks. The ones that are released right now are primarily audio cassettes recordings he made. And understandably, with that many, there's some really interesting things to listen to in there. And that's it. Pretty straightforward, but I want to put this tutorial together just to sort of help you get there a little quicker, and hopefully you enjoy it. If you're interested in the 78s, go ahead and check out my other tutorial that's on refining your results to streaming 78 RPM recordings. And with that, I want to thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.